Smithing stones are massive boosts to your damage, as they can upgrade weapons to make them more powerful and slice through bosses with ease. But where do you get them other than around the massive open world? In this guide, we will discuss where you can purchase certain smithing stones to make your life in Elden Ring a bit easier. Smithing stones can be purchased from one of two NPCs, Smithing Master Iji and the Twin Maiden Husks. Smithing Master Iji can be found in northwest Liurnia, right along the roadside, sitting valiantly on his somewhat throne near the manor site of Grace. Iji sells an infinite number of somber smithing stones 1 and 2, but only a limited number of smithing stones 3 and 4. While Iji is a great help in terms of getting your mitts on some decent stones early on, there is one vendor that is much better than the rest, but more difficult to get the stones from. The Twin Maiden Husks are not hard to find, but getting the reagents needed to purchase the stones from the NPC is not a simple task. I won't be covering how to get each one of the bell bearings in this guide, but in a future one, so it's worth noting that this is just a breakdown on where to get the stones for now, and not a guide on how to get the bearings in order to get the stones from the Maiden Husks. The Twin Maiden Husks are located within Round Table Hold, which by now you should definitely have fast travel access to. Run down this hallway and follow it where they will be creepily sitting and waiting for you. Speak to them and turn in the Smithing Miner's Bell bearings in exchange for the ability to purchase the different smithing stones. Finding each of those bell bearings is no easy feat, but it's well worth the effort if you're up for the task. That's going to do it for this extremely quick guide on where to get smithing stones in Elden Ring other than the open world. As always, if you like the video, then like the video. And if you like my content in general, then please subscribe to my channel, because it means the absolute world to me. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!